Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Tech Soldiers powered by DMB. So guys, in the last video we have learned the cross step and also open loop technique, right? So in this video we are going to learn how to sit and stand and also some jumps. So without any delay, let's dig into the video. So guys, sitting and standing is very easy. So it looks like this: sit, stand. So as you sit normally, as you stand normally, so similar thing you have to apply here, but while rolling the wheels. So let's see how it looks. So guys, practice like this and you will be get it 100%. So guys, let us learn how to jump. So simply first stand without moving and simply jump. So simply jump and sit. Stand, jump and sit. Stand, jump and sit. So this will help you while rolling the wheels. So you need to sit down while you jump. So let us see and apply it on rolling. So guys, this is how you need to practice the jumps, and let us put some hurdles and jump on it. First you start with small hurdles and slowly increase the height of the hurdle. So directly don't put this much height and jump on it, so it will hurt you. So slowly learn it. So step by step you will learn and you will achieve it. So this is all for today. Meet you in another video with some more tips and techniques. So till then, take care. Bye bye.